Hi guys, good day. So for this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to measure current using analog multimeter. So here's we have a 12 volts battery, analog multimeter, and calculator for the calculation. So first, we should know that the analog multimeter is working. For you to know that, we must put the two probes together like this. As we can hear, the multimeter buzz like this. So we will proceed in measuring current on this battery. So first we should select the range selector into current range. So like this, like 0.25. As we can see, the reading is on this scale in 0 to 15. So our range here is 0.85 ampere. We will replace the 15 into 0.25 ampere. So there are three lines here like 5, 10, 15. So this 15 is 0.25. We will divide 0.25 ampere into 3 in 3. So 0.25 divided by 3. The answer is 0.083. So the 5 here is we will replace it in 0.083. So 10 is 0.16 and the 15 is 0.25 ampere. So we will start measuring the current of this battery. So first, we will put the positive probe into the positive side of the battery and the negative probe into the negative side of the battery. As we can see, there are reading in the second subline. So the value of 5 is replaced by 0.083 that we calculate earlier. So there are 10 lines in between of 0 and 0.083. So we will divide the 0.083 in 10. So the answer is 0.0083. So each line here is have value of 0.083. So the pointer deflector needle deflects in the second subline. So we will times it into 2 times 2. So the value of this second subline is, or the current of this battery is 0.01666667 ampere.